So, good day, ma'am. My name is Carl P. Alazo, and today we're going to discuss about the delayed chromosomal inheritance. So, I will explain this, and um, so I wait. First, let's remember that chromosomes are tiny thread-like structure in our cells carrying genes which hold our inherited trait. When cells divide, they split these chromosomes so each new cell gets the right set. So I will discuss it then step by step. So step 1 is normal division. So kano siya is usually the cell's machinery pulls apart the chromosomes and send them into the two new daughter cells. So mag-send siya to the two new daughters. So next is a problem occurs sometime. So a problem occurs. So masha is sometimes one chromosomes lags behind. So behind it could be stuck, misplaced, or tangled. So it doesn't make it into the daughter cells at the right time. So dili siya ano na is dili siya makon in right time. So next is lagging chromosomes. So kani is this chromosome doesn't disappear, it stay behind and can be picked up or incorporated later, often during a future cell division or in a future generation. Next is um, delayed um, traits. Because the chromosomes information didn't get passed or right away, any traits linked to it are also delayed in showing up. So delay. So in um ano is delayed chromosome inheritance is kana it's like time shifts in passing on genetic information. It explains why sometimes trait or disease appear unexpectedly after skipping generation. It's a fascinating reminding that inheritance isn't always immediate. So, um, that's all. Thank you, ma'am.